Deep inside one of the harshest deserts on Earth, high-resolution satellite imagery has revealed a 6,000-year-old secret. Hidden beneath the shifting sands of Sudan are more than 280 enormous stone monuments. Some are the size of modern football fields. They are older than the Great Pyramid of Giza. Each one required an astonishing amount of planning, labor, and coordination. Yet, almost everything about the people who built them has been lost. They left behind no writing, no cities, no known name, only stone. Welcome back to Weird Past. Today we're exploring one of archaeology's greatest forgotten mysteries, an unnamed civilization that filled a green landscape with massive stone circles, and then disappeared almost without a trace. A newly published archaeological study transformed what researchers thought they knew about this remote landscape. For decades, only a handful of these mysterious structures had been documented. But once archaeologists combined satellite imagery with field surveys, an astonishing picture emerged. The desert wasn't hiding a few monuments. It was hiding an entire ceremonial landscape. More than 280 massive stone enclosures spread across the region. The largest stretches nearly 269 feet across. These weren't random piles of rock left behind by wandering nomads. Every enclosure shows deliberate planning. Researchers estimate that constructing just one circle roughly 60 meters wide could require around 161 days of continuous heavy labor for a single worker. Multiply that by hundreds of monuments, and a remarkable picture begins to emerge. These communities were highly organized. They coordinated labor on an enormous scale. And they shared beliefs powerful enough to inspire generations of people to move mountains of stone. But the biggest mystery wasn't the circles themselves. It was where they chose to build them. Today, this landscape is almost impossible to survive. So why would anyone build enormous monuments here? Because 6,000 years ago, this wasn't a desert. It was part of a vast, fertile world scientists call the African humid period. Seasonal rivers crossed the land. Lakes shimmered beneath open skies. Grasslands stretched to the horizon. Wildlife flourished. And the people living here were pastoralists whose entire way of life revolved around cattle. Their wealth, their identity, perhaps even their religion. But nature had other plans. As these monuments were being built, the climate began to change. The seasonal rains weakened. The lakes slowly disappeared. The rivers dried. Over generations, one of the richest landscapes in Africa transformed into the lifeless desert we see today. And that's when the story becomes heartbreaking. As the water disappeared, these communities faced an impossible future. Researchers believe many of these monuments were deliberately placed near ancient seasonal water sources. But they were never cities. They were burial places. And what archaeologists discovered inside them changed everything. Human graves lay surrounded by the remains of cattle. For people whose lives depended on their herds, this was no ordinary burial. The cattle may have represented offerings to powerful spirits. They may have symbolized wealth, family, or status. Or they may have been part of sacred ceremonies whose meanings vanished thousands of years ago. Whatever the purpose, these burials speak of a society confronting environmental collapse, hoping, praying, trying desperately to preserve a way of life that was slipping away forever. The rains never returned. Then, the trail simply ends. No cities, no writing, no monuments after these, just silence. Did the survivors migrate toward the Nile, carrying ideas that helped shape the earliest civilizations of northeastern Africa? Or did they simply disappear into history, leaving only circles of stone behind? We may never know. But these forgotten monuments leave us with one unsettling question. Thousands of years from now, when our cities have crumbled, our languages are forgotten, and our names have vanished, what will future archaeologists think when they uncover the ruins we leave behind? Will they know who we were? Or will we become another unnamed civilization, lost beneath the dust of time? If you have your own theory about what happened to these people, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the forgotten past, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Weird Past, because history still has countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered.